Well, here's a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 2LT Coupe, CAMMED, 584 horsepower. This is a beautiful car, and it's got plenty of power. 70,000 miles. You're going to find this car priced right, and this could be the car in your driveway very shortly. Arctic white on the exterior, jet black interior. It has that beautiful visible carbon fiber top. As we said, 584 horsepower LT1 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the 4,210 2LT preferred equipment group. This includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker AM/FM XM MP3 stereo, steering wheel controls, and MyLink. Has auto-dimming mirrors, heated vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar. Has advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, and memory package. Also has that Z51 performance package. Performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels, tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, has the aereo package. Has those red brake caliper overrides, black wheels, carbon flash painted rear spoiler and side mirrors, and multi-mode exhaust, navigation, Bluetooth package, dual power sport seats, and keyless entry and start. It has multi-mode exhaust, navigation, Bluetooth package, power seats, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar, tilt and telly, side airbags, rear view camera, and everything on this car is power, of course. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. This car comes with a clean Carfax as well as roughly $10,000 in performance and appearance upgrades. The car's paint is very good condition, it has a great shine, and it has that added visible carbon fiber top, which is in very good condition. The black wheels are very, very good condition as well. And the interior of this car is just absolutely beautiful. It shows very good factory leather seats, very good door panels, and other additions to this car include a Vengeance Racing Custom Grind Stage 2 Performance Camshaft, ported MSD Atomic Air Force intake manifold, wrapped long tube headers, AFE Power Cold Air Intake, C5R timing chain, LS7 lifter set, comp cams phase limiter, displacement on demand delete. Just so much on this car. Be sure to take a look at the link right down below, and it will take you to all of those additional aftermarket items on this car. So this is just a fabulous car. Performance upgrades are fantastic. So if you want to know more about this car, give us a call at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.